Welcome to a deep dive into the tech landscape of 2024. The world of technology is ever-evolving, and keeping up with the latest skills is key to thriving in this dynamic field. Today, we're exploring what it takes to be at the forefront of technology in the near future. Understanding data is at the heart of modern tech. Data literacy is not just about crunching numbers, it's about interpreting them to make informed decisions. Whether you're developing software or devising marketing strategies, being able to read and analyze data is indispensable. In the realm of AI and machine learning, these technologies are reshaping the way we interact with the world. Grasping AI algorithms, neural networks, and machine learning processes is essential. This skill set is vital across various roles, from engineers crafting AI systems to marketers leveraging AI for consumer insights. Cloud computing is another cornerstone of today's tech environment. Proficiency in cloud services, including platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, is crucial. This expertise is not limited to IT professionals, it's becoming a fundamental skill across a broad spectrum of tech jobs. Cybersecurity is more relevant than ever. Understanding how to protect digital assets and data becomes critical as technology integrates deeper into our lives. Comprehending the evolving landscape of cyber threats and how to counter them effectively is essential. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are reshaping not just finance but various sectors. A solid grasp of blockchain technology and its applications in areas like supply chain and healthcare is becoming increasingly important. Tech professionals need to understand these innovations' impact and potential. The Internet of Things, IoT, is another area of rapid growth. IoT technology, including sensor networks and IoT security, is becoming a vital part of our digital landscape. This skill is about bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds in innovative ways. Quantum computing holds immense promise. An understanding of quantum mechanics and its computing applications can provide a significant edge in the tech industry. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design skills are crucial in an era where customer experience is paramount. Creating user-centric designs that enhance technology's usability and accessibility is essential. Soft skills like adaptability, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are increasingly valued in tech. The ability to collaborate effectively, communicate clearly, and solve problems creatively is as important as technical expertise. Understanding the intersection of technology with ethical and sustainable practices is becoming a key consideration. Creating responsible and inclusive technology is vital as technology's impact on society and the environment grows. Diving deeper into data literacy, it's clear that this skill transcends traditional data analysis. Tech professionals in 2024 will need to understand not only how to gather and interpret data but also how to translate it into actionable insights. This skill is essential for driving strategy and innovation across various sectors, from healthcare to retail. When we consider AI and machine learning, their impact is profound and far-reaching. These technologies are not just about automating tasks, they're about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. For tech professionals, this means not only understanding the technical aspects but also considering the ethical implications and societal impacts of AI. Cloud computing has become a fundamental aspect of the tech landscape. Mastery of cloud services is about more than just understanding storage and computing power. It's about leveraging the cloud for greater scalability, flexibility, and innovation. Professionals in 2024 will need to be adept at navigating cloud environments to optimize tech solutions. The importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Understanding cybersecurity is about safeguarding not just individual companies but also the broader digital ecosystem. This skill involves staying updated with the latest security trends and being proactive in implementing robust security measures. Exploring the realm of blockchain and cryptocurrency reveals a world of possibilities. Beyond digital currencies, blockchain technology offers a new way to approach security, transparency, and decentralization in various domains. Understanding blockchain in 2024 will be about recognizing its potential to revolutionize industries and being at the forefront of implementing these cutting-edge solutions. The Internet of Things, IoT, is revolutionizing our interaction with technology. Understanding IoT in 2024 means having a grasp on how these interconnected devices collect, share, and use data to improve efficiency and functionality. This skill involves not only technical know-how but also an understanding of the ethical and security implications of widespread data collection and connectivity. Moving to quantum computing, this emerging field is set to challenge and transform our current understanding of computational power and capability. For tech professionals, diving into quantum computing means exploring a realm where computing goes beyond binary code, opening up new possibilities in fields like cryptography and materials science. Even a basic understanding of quantum principles can offer a unique advantage in the tech industry. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design are more than just about creating visually appealing products. In 2024, these skills are about deeply understanding user needs and behaviors to create intuitive, accessible, and engaging digital experiences. Professionals skilled in UX/UI will be instrumental in bridging the gap between technology and users, ensuring that tech products are not only functional but also enjoyable to use. Soft skills in the tech industry are often underestimated, yet they are fundamental to success. The ability to adapt to rapid changes, think critically about complex problems, and empathize with colleagues and users alike is invaluable. In a field that's as much about innovation as it is about collaboration, these skills are what make the difference between good and great tech professionals. Lastly, as we become more aware of our technological footprint, the importance of sustainability and ethical considerations in tech cannot be overstated. Designing and implementing technology in a way that is mindful of its social and environmental impact is crucial. In 2024, tech professionals will be expected to lead the way in creating solutions that are not just innovative but also responsible and inclusive. As we wrap up our exploration of the top skills for tech in 2024, it's clear that the future of technology is not just about the hard skills but also about the broader understanding of how technology fits into our world. The tech landscape is rapidly evolving, and with it, the skills required to excel are also changing. In this new era, it's crucial to remember that technology is not just a tool, it's a part of our daily lives. The skills we discussed, from data literacy to ethical tech considerations, are about more than just understanding technology. They're about using technology to create a better world, one that is more efficient, secure, and inclusive. The integration of these skills will define the tech professionals of 2024. It's not enough to be proficient in one area, the key to success lies in understanding how these diverse skills come together. Whether you're just starting out in tech or looking to refine your expertise, embracing these skills will position you at the forefront of the industry. So, as we look towards the future, let's not just focus on what technology can do, let's focus on what we can do with technology. By honing these essential skills, we can not only keep up with the pace of technological change but also drive it forward, creating a future that is innovative, responsible, and inclusive. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the tech skills of 2024. If you found this video insightful, please like and share it. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Here's to shaping a tech-savvy, forward-thinking future together.